Hello Ride On people. We recently took a 3-day trip to Nashville in Tennessee. Stayed at a place called the Moxie Hotel. It's a very contemporary, modern kind of place. Initial impressions of the corridors were, wow, it's like The Shining. The rooms were quite pricey with a valet service for your car. You're looking at about $500 a day. The rooms were also a little bit Spartan. There was no wardrobes, for instance, and no safe to keep your valuables either. However, the place was really immaculate. It's very comfortable and, as I say, contemporary and modern in the way in which it was laid out and looked. And everything was super hygienically cleaned, so no complaints really. The bar area was interesting, and they also had some whiskey and coke from Jack Daniels in tin form. Never seen that before. The foyer was also pretty comfortable with plenty of places to sit and things to do. There's some interesting artwork on the wall, including this depiction of David Bowie as Ziggy Stardust, and also this one with Willie Nelson, Dolly Parton and Johnny Cash. There was also a little stage area in the hotel, and it was good to listen to a little bit of music while the rain poured outside for the first hour or so that we were there. After the rain had passed, we decided to take a little stroll and had a quick look in the Johnny Cash Museum across the road. There was an interesting Harley in the window with some beautiful paintwork. We took a stroll passing the Hard Rock Cafe with its Sphinx outside and its humongous guitar twirling in the breeze. And we could see the public walking bridge from there, and also the Nissan Stadium where American football is played. We dropped by Boswell's Harley Davidson clothing shop, and they actually had this motorcycle there, which I thought was probably a kind of 3845, but I was told it is a 1917 model. The skyline downtown is quite interesting. The building on the right there is Bridgestone Firestone head office. The skyline was full of starlings. There must have been hundreds of thousands of them. Very interesting to watch them swirling around. The sun began to set and it cast some pretty nice colours in the sky. When the sun goes down, Broadway starts coming alive and interesting characters come out to show off. We decided to dine at Luke Bryan's 32 Bridge Diner and Rooftop Bar. Blanton's Bourbon on the Rocks was my drink of choice. There's a sushi bar, but there wasn't much in the way of sushi on the menu, but we found something to eat all the same. The rooftop area was quite nice and gave a great view of the city. We could also easily see other bars from there, such as the Florida Georgia Line bar, and they played music on the ground level.
What the hell is she drinking?
We moved on to a great little bar called Whiskey Bent Saloon, where there was live music every night. That's it for day 1. Tune back in for day 2 and day 3.
Hey you, if you want to become one of the Ride On people, don't forget to subscribe. Ride often, ride carefully, ride on.